Hello, so this is a review of lens hood for Canon 17 to 55 2.8, and so this is it. It's a piece of plastic, so two things. First, it fits really nicely. It just really doesn't move, you know. It is really very stable. Also, it really nicely fits, can be unlocked, so it is really nicely done. And yeah, so this is good. What is not so good, it is not perfectly black. It is questionable how much it is visible, and it also lacks whatever, some pattern here to protect from bouncing off the light. So what I mean is, what you can see inside of the lens, these tiny, like you know, the tiny pattern. So this is what I'm lacking here, but overall really it works, and for this price it is really nice. So yeah, for this price it is recommended.